All right, all right, all right. You can quit refreshing Redfin because this is the house you've been waiting for. The Evergreen Escape, where memories made here last a lifetime. Now this pad has been tastefully redecorated to incorporate mountain living with a taste of luxury and high-speed internet. Let's go check out this humble abode.
Welcome to this groovy pad. Come on in.
All right, now this open concept starts right here in your bitchin' kitchen. It's sports. Slab granite countertops, so cool. Primo wood cabinetry. A gas wolf burner for the gourmet in you. And don't forget, skylights. All right, welcome to your grand living room. Now this place has vaulted ceilings, skylights, and this beautiful floor-to-ceiling wood-burning fireplace with this gorgeous mantel. But hang on to your mood rings because no mountain home would be complete without a wall of windows right there to take in your own private aspect. All right, let's boogie on outside and see what Shay's doing.
Check out this new deck. Not only is this a great location to entertain your family and friends, but look at this gorgeous view, these aspen groves. And the birds are chirping, and it's such peace and quiet out here. You could just come out here for, just to sit around and read a book if you'd like. Or you could barbecue for your family and friends right here.
Evergreen Escape has deck number 2. We call this the shade deck. Perfect for a little R&R. You got you a hot tub, which is perfect for soaking your bones after a long day of hiking or even grooving down the slopes. And with privacy and views like these, clothing and bongos are optional. Here at the Evergreen Escape, you get the best of both worlds with just a short commute to Denver, Colorado, or 20 minutes in either direction to Conifer or downtown Evergreen. And you have hiking trails 5 minutes outside of your door. Man, it is time to leave that rat race behind and live your dream in the mountains and at Evergreen Escape.
Give us a ring-a-ding-ding if you'd like a private showing or you'd like to skinny on this home.